Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on location for photos on iPhone. So let me show you that. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go to the settings. From here what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the privacy and security. From here you have to tap on the location service and make sure the location is turned on. Once you turn on the location, you have to scroll it down all the way here and navigate to the camera. And over here, make sure for some reasons, if it has been never or something, that is a reason. So make sure that you change this to while using the app. So you're giving the access to the camera to access the location. Now, once you give this back, you have to go back to the camera and capture something. If you don't have any kind of an option to do this up, you can just go back to the camera and try turning on. They can ask you the questions to give the access. You can give them back, then you can set this up. And once you give the access, you can just go back here. And right now, when it captures something, what happens is it is going to geotag the location along with the photo. So I'll demonstrate you with a few examples. If I go to the photos in my case, if you tap on this one, if I go over here like this is one of the photos that I very recently took on my car. And right now, as you can see, the location is being tagged over here. So you can do like this, and it's simple as it is. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.